We are less than 2 months away from the official unpack for the Galaxy S24 series. And well, we just got another new hands-on image of the S24 Ultra, revealing exciting upgrades and changing. We also have massive news regarding what could be the camera sensor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra next year. But first, let's take a look at the hands-on image of the S24 Ultra. These hands-on images are coming courtesy of the Chinese LS new website called SOI. They had a brief hands-on time with the S24 Ultra compared to the S23 Ultra and also shared some more secrets. So on the top we have the S23 Ultra, on the bottom we have the S24 Ultra. You can see there is a brand new speaker grid which is now a completely one step instead of server hall in previous flagship phone. This new speaker design indicate a better speaker than previous generation. Now next to the speaker you can notice that the microphone is missing, and it's not missing. They actually moved that on the top of the phone. So now you have two microphones on the top compared to the S23 Ultra. You can see side by side image moving on the side. You can once again see the camera lens as well as the same position for the power and volume keys. These buttons are set to be slightly bigger than the S23 Ultra, just a little bit. The big important change to notice is that the size of the S24 Ultra is well as the bottom and the top is now using a titanium compared to the normal aluminum of previous phone. According to the source, Galaxy S24 Ultra not only looks flatter but also feels flatter. It is indeed a proper flat display. Now, according to the source, the middle frame for the S24 Ultra slightly thicker compared to the S23 Ultra, and that could be because of the new two times bigger thermal cooling solution compared to the previous generation. This generation shows the best performance of the overclocked Snapdragon 803 for the Galaxy. So there we go. Thanks to the old and new hands-on image, we now have the full visual review look of the S24 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. For those of you who are using the S23 Ultra waiting for the S25 Ultra, might be very good decision because according to latest leaks, Samsung is planning to bring their biggest camera upgrade ever. Yes, Samsung has apparently analyzed the specification for their 1-inch camera sensor with a 200 megapixel output. Because of bigger size and higher megapixel output, this sensor will offer lossless 4x sensor zoom. If all goes smoothly, a 1 inch 200 megapixel sensor could be the perfect upgrade for the S25 Ultra compared to the S24 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. 200 megapixel sensor, this leak is completely in line with what Samsung is planning for next 5 years, which is a 440 megapixel sensor with a 1 inch sensor size. So if you are using the S23 Ultra, the S25 Ultra will bring some significant change. Definitely a lot to look forward to 2025. But for all other people are using flagship phone before the S23 Ultra, for them the S24 Ultra is look like a pretty big upgrade. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.